So what's distinctive about your product versus something like Funyuns?
So Funyuns have been around for about 50 years, and they really haven't been innovative. They have 20 ingredients, including cornmeal as the first ingredient. And we really think if you're going to make an onion chip, make it out of onions. First we cut real onions, and then we put them in what's called a vacuum fryer, which is a technology more prevalent in Asia and Europe. And in a vacuum fryer, there's very low pressure, and you can actually cook it, retain more nutrients, and spin out most of the oil. So we recommend putting in the dried fruits and nuts area. Now some stores, like conventional stores, will create a little destination in the produce section, and that's a great place to merchandise these because it's right next to the fresh fruit. 80% of shoppers go through the produce section. Other stores, more natural focused stores, will put us in a kind of close to the bulk area. So other, fresh nuts and dried fruits, and they put a little packaged snack section right there. And so we say put us next to dried fruits and nuts, seaweed, kale chips, healthy snacks, all grouped together.